In this video, we're going to work with the comma survey dataset. So you can go to my website, anderscarf.com/worksheets. I'll also put the link in the video description below, but you can download the file. And when you download the file, it opens up like this. And in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to work through just how to filter, very basic Excel skill that everybody should know how to do. So perhaps we're looking at this survey, and what we want is we want to filter on only respondents who are aged 18 to 29. Now, we have over 1,000 different rows, and as you can see, the data is, there's a lot of rows. So if we were to do this by hand, this would take quite a long time. Even if we were to build a formula that says, only select those that are ages 30 to 44, 18 to 29. Thankfully, Excel does this for us quite quickly. So all you're going to do is you're going to go up to your menu bar. You're going to click on data while you're clicked in your age category or any kind of category along the column headers. And all you're going to do is click on filter. And then what you can see is that you have these little gray boxes in the bottom right-hand corner. So we were interested in age. So you're going to click there. And then what you can see is that all the different categories or categorical variables that are there for the variable age, so over 60, 18 to 29, 30 to 44, 45 to 60, and those where respondents didn't put in their age, which would be represented by blank. If all we're interested in is 18 to 29, we can simply do this. Then we can close our little window there, and then you can get a quick visualization of all the data that is 18 to 29. You can also click in the cell and simply, on a Mac, it's Command-Shift down, and you can see that you have 221 observations that are 18 to 29. Of course, if what you were interested in was the counts of 18 to 29, you could do something like a contingency table. So perhaps we're interested in gender and ages. So all we're going to do is go to Insert. We're going to click on Pivot Table. This is going to select all of our data. So we said we were looking at age, and then we were looking at gender. In this case, we're going to put gender down in there in the values cell. Sorry, my apologies. Let me make this a little bit bigger. And then what we were going to say is that we're going to filter out everything except 18 to 29. So there you go. You can see that 18 to 29, 115 female, 106 male, for a grand total of 221. That's it for this video, but if you found that it helped make statistics easy, consider showing your support by giving the video a like. And if you still need more help with statistics, then consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I look forward to solving many more problems with you next time.